Hey everyone, Matt from Workshop Tinkers here. So it is that time of the month again, apparently. Hackerbox. Let's open her up. I've assembled the last one and found out that ESP, I know people are giving me a hard time about saying, oh, it's not Arduino. You can program them in the Arduino IDE or C whatever. So I was technically right. Ha ha ha. Yay! I like this already. Breadboard. Always use more breadboards because I have a total of one. Right here. There you go. That might be a constant current LED driver circuit on there right now, I think. Anyways, back to whatever this is. Hackerbox of the month. Breadboard. Yay. Always like more breadboards. USB cables. One micro, one mini. Or rather, mini A and B. Technical terms. Ooh, nice case. I like the case. So far I've been very happy. I mean, yes, this is only my second one I've done so far, but rather like it. Like them. Ooh. Oh yeah. Okay, I'm enjoying this month. So I got breadboard pins. Always use more of those. I have some, but always use more. A keychain. Oh, it's a... I should remember his name. I don't remember. A screwdriver. This is Big Fly's dollar. Not dollar. Poundland special mini screwdriver. I recognize it, except it's not from Poundland, obviously. I'll have to look at those bits later. Doesn't matter for now. Let's see, what do we got here? This... Do you see anything? Looks like an LED. Let's see, what is it? Ground, VCC, SCO, SDA. It might be an LED. These are obviously modules, input and stuff. I don't know what this one... I want it out. There it is. Yeah, it's an LED of some way, shape, or form. It's got a protective cover on it. LCD, sorry, LCD listed liquid crystal diode, not liquid. Whatever. Button input. That looks like it's a, yeah, it's a micro, Arduino Pro Micro. I have several of these kicking around. They're very useful. Oh, let's see what we got here. This one is, and this one's an LED array. Can you see? Focus. LEDs. This one is a AT24CXX timer. Trying to read the number off the chip. It's sorry, I have to get it to the light. ATMLM 747. Don't know. Have to look it up. And then these are what I think they are. Yep, little grabby things. So you can put a wire in one end and grab onto diodes and the like. I like this one, this box, a lot better. It's more of a components that I know how to use, and then a solder wick. Always good to have extras of those. I have a couple, but always good to have extras. I'm not complaining. I like this kit so far. So 18 Mega Pro Micro. Okay, so sorry, it's not Arduino. 18 Mega 32 U4. Sure as heck looks like my Arduino Micro. Oh, hey, USB. Ooh, I like this one. Phone Freak. Okay, so apparently this was Phone Freak. It's got a USB powered soldering iron. So this is kind of a starter kit for real serious basics. I mean, here's my normal soldering iron right here. But as it's sitting there, USB eBay special. But I like this. I mean, You might see me use this, you might not. I'm not 100% sure. I might give it to someone who's been talking about learning how to solder. That's a proper, I mean, it's not a great tip, but it's a proper tip on there. It's a nice sharp itty bitty little teeny tiny tip. So one thing I did not see, so I saw, yeah, so my USB, so it's just a, oh, there's a tiny little spool of, I think that's solder. Yeah, itty bitty little teeny tiny spool of solder. So anybody who's soldering, highly recommend getting a tin-based solder. I actually still have some from Radio Shack from back in the day. Bought a couple spools. Here's my Radio Shack. Rosin core. This is what I use all the time. I mean, I'm not a soldering expert, but I do enough of it. I use 60-40. What is it? I can't remember exactly. It's tin something. Tin silicon? No. Where's my big roll? The big roll says my non-brand. Okay. If anybody's getting new stuff, this is what I recommend. MG Chemicals. It is, where is it? Okay, 60% tin, 40% lead. Tin lead, that's, I don't know why I was thinking. It's the SN, it's tin. It always confuses me. Always get mixed up with SI, whatever. But I like this stuff. It's, as far as I can tell, it's the exact same stuff as the Radio Shack stuff. As the Radio Shack solder, just 20 years newer. But yeah, I'm very happy with this Hackerbox this month. I'm still happy. I'm still going to order and pay for my next one. As I said, this is out of my own pocket for my own tinkering abilities. My time to tinker is rather limited right now. Half an hour a week. Maybe an hour on weekends. Not that long though. I would have liked a longer one, but I'm not going to turn my nose up against a breadboard. Breadboards are awesome. Let's see if this is a... I'd have to check to see if these are solid. Some of the cheap ones, they actually stop every so often. Watch Big Clive. He actually takes a couple cheapos from eBay apart. Big Clive makes everything make more sense. Well, everything electronic. He just explains things so well. But according to this, yeah, 2 power lanes, so it should go the whole way across. According to its own diagram, but we'll see. I'll find out eventually. But anyways, awesome kit this month. It's more of a tinkering, beginners type thing. Number 29 Field Kit. Find guide box guides at hackerboxes.com, which means instructables.com. I love these displays. They make it so much easier to figure out which is which. PWM, SP whatever, SP1, IC2. There are no, if I remember right, there are no digital lanes on this one. They're all analog only. But I could be saying that 5 and 7 might be digital. Some might be combos. Or they all might be digital, and you can make them be, some of them have analog. I don't remember. I look it up all the time. Anyways, I like this one. Though the case is already getting dirty. It's going to get much, much dirtier. I like this case, though. That's a good case. It's nice and solid. I'm actually going to put the rest of my pins, the pin wires in here. Put the rest of these in here. God, I still feel like I should know this guy's name. I'm sure one of the 10 people who watch this video will know what it is and put it in the comments. Anyways, thanks everyone so much for watching. Keep tinkering.